Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Awesome music as usual. Get some Thin Lizzy. Right, here's all the tools you need to do your box, okay? This seal, we're going to put the jobber on here. Your seal's going to go over here. That'll get him up to here. You take this off. You put this on. Push him in. Here's your depth setter, okay? So this will take it to exactly the right depth. Shifter shaft seal, Jim's 768. These are George's, the red ones. Also made from Jim's, who invented them. Okay, this is your seal driver. Here's your seal. You're going to put this on here with lots of tape like this to protect the splines from ripping it. And you can see this. It's got a step on. You're then going to push this seal right down that shaft. Then you can put your circlip back on, and you're going to put your your circlip in your washer back on. Okay. And when you've done that, you're then going to put your shift arm on and check your adjustments on here. Okay. And that's basically it. Then you're going to stick your primaries back on. New belt, new washer on here, new tab lock washer, and away you go. So if you're interested in any bits for these amazing old school bikes, not your sheddy new ones, your shovels, your Evos, give us a call. Twin cams up to 06 ain't too bad either, but after 06, forget it. Garbage. Later the worst. Some of them only done 10,000 miles. Under 10,000, all the cranks are gone where the oil pump's gone with the chains. So not good. And that is actually on the 13 we've just done. Quite a few late bikes, massive issues, especially the Milwaukee 8s, even worse. But anyway, if you want some parts, you want some advice, tools, give us a call. Beautiful quality Jim, CNC, proper jobs. Got to admit, this is pretty cool. Just check that. Doubles up as a sex aid, but beautiful bit of kit ribbed to go with it. Okay, thank you. CustomCruisers.com, CustomCruisers.eu, 01773 835 666. Thank you.